An in-depth report from the Chicago Tribune is shedding light on the frequent and systematic delays within the Cook County court system.
Investigative reporter Mahr is here with the details of that report. Good morning, Joe. Thanks for being here.
Hey, thanks for having me.
So when I look at the report, I see lawyers, police officers, doctors being all kind of part of this, coming together and making these cases last a lot longer than you would think that they would. It's kind of a calcified system from what I can gather.
Yeah, there are so many players in the system and just not a lot of accountability.
Right.
So it's easy for people to say, well, I can't do something because someone else needs to do something, and that just snowballs and snowballs and snowballs.
And so someone might think, well, this is just a big city problem. Is this happening in New York and Los Angeles, or is there something in Chicago we're not doing right?
It is in Chicago. Now, it's very difficult to get national data to compare courts. We got the best available data we could, and we're finding that New York, LA, much faster than we are. And when you look at the court's own goals, now the court has said they want cases done. We're talking about murder cases to be completed here. And the court wants murder cases done within 2 years of an early stage hearing called an arraignment. That only happened 20% of the time in 2019, before the pandemic. After the pandemic, just 10% of the time are they meeting their own goals.
I was looking at some of the cases that you feature in this investigative work, and it's cases that some of us might remember, and it's shocking that they're still kind of churning through the system. From the victims' families' perspectives, this has got to be incredibly frustrating that you think that justice would be relatively swift, and it's taking 4 years or more.
Exactly, yeah. So what happens with a victim's family is, number one, they're dealing with that tragedy of the loss, right? And they may feel a little bit lucky in the sense, oh, we've got an arrest, because in Chicago that's not a given. You're going to get an arrest and a homicide. So they get this arrest, they start to go to court, and then they have to go through this process, and they think, well, maybe it'll be a year, 2 years. And they keep showing up at these hearings, and it can be like a 3-hour ordeal to get to the courthouse, get through security. You got to stow your cell phone, you got to find the courtroom. There's often a delay that the case will be called. There's sometimes delays because there's no attorneys there to call cases, so you're sitting on these hard wooden benches waiting. You finally get this hearing called, and it lasts a minute or two. And it's just, the basically attorneys get together and say, well, we're still working on it, Judge. And they say, okay, when do you want to come back? And that's the typical hearing. And you do this enough, and you get really tired of it.
Yeah, and the families of the accused are probably not a influential constituency. So I'm wondering if there's political will to fix this. So the question is, does this impact the safety of the community in the big picture? Does it impact taxpayer dollars in the big picture? What will provide the political will to get this fixed?
The researchers, the advocates will say both are impacted. For the community safety, it's a little bit of a longer argument that they'll make, and they'll say, listen, when you're in a community that is constantly targeted by violence, and then you watch people get arrested, and they sit, and they sit, and they sit, and they sit, and you don't see justice, it feels like lawless, right? It feels like the system's coming apart. And when you look at the cost in particular, all of us are paying for this if you're a Cook County taxpayer. We ran the numbers, and if the court had met its own goals for murder cases, taxpayers would have saved $315 million over the past decade.
Wow.
Real quick, have you gotten a response from government on your story? Did someone say, oh, yeah, I know how to fix it. We're going to do that right away?
No, not yet.
Yeah, okay.
Joe,
Keep us updated.
All right, thanks for having me.
Thank you. Nice work. You can read Mahr's full report.